everybody, how we doing on this fine Monday morning? Today I was a little bit bored, so I decided to do this makeup look. So if you're interested in it, keep watching. First, we're going to start off with our concealer. We're going to be using our Bye Bye Cosmetics. Just put a little bit on the back of your hand. If you hear any weird noises, it's because my dog is chewing on a peanut butter bone behind me. And then we're also just going to go on the top of the brow too. Boom! And once we have plastered those on, we're just going to blend everything out just with a concealer brush. Concealer brush, a fluffy brush. I'm also going to be putting some Dermablend powder just to set everything as well, because I do not want this slipping and sliding. Now that everything is on, we are going to tape up our eyes. Washi tape, we're going to just pull off 1 inch for each side. Bow! Put on the back of your hand, and you're just going to rub it to take some of the adhesive off. Bah! Pull it off. And then we're going to be lining it up with a bottom lash line. That's better. Okay. And don't worry, this won't be on the whole time. So, after you put on that side, I'll put on the other side. There is always one eye that's easier. This side's always easier, and this side's like, eh. But then, like, this eyebrow's easier. So, like, you know, you never fucking know. Alright, so now that we have our weird little kimosabi things on, using the Amrezy palette today to complete our eye look. So we're going to be going in with New Yorker and OG first to start it off, and then we're going to be doing the Simsa, this hot pink color, and like all these glitters. So stay tuned. So now we're just going to take a big fluffy brush, OG New Yorker, and we're just going to go down here and create that V again. That's kind of the shape that I stay with when I'm doing my eyeshadows, just because my eye shape and I want my eyes to look big, so this is a way to create depth in your eye. Okay, so now we're going to be going in with the Simsa, which is the darker color right here, with a littler on this MAC 217 brush, and just hit that V again. So we're just going to run the Simsa on the other eye as well, staying in that V motion. And just kind of bringing that forward. And then, so now that we've got it placed on our eyes, we're going to take our big fluffy brush and just kind of blend the edges out. We're going to be taking just a finer brush with the same color, an angled liner brush, and we're just going to go in and kind of darken up our line. After we've done that, you're just going to take another little brush. So it's just my little tapered one, and we're going to be using the Anastasia and the Barb. Doing both of those. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia first. Tap off excess. And do the other side. Kind of bring it up too. And then we're going to be going the same brush. Oh, it's not Barb. It's called Amrezy. And we're just going to be hitting with the Amrezy right in the center. I want to put on some more Amrezy right in the center. So now that we have that on, I'm just going to kind of blend everything together, make sure it's the colors that we want it to be, make sure I can see what I'm doing. And we're just going to blend the top out, use a little bit more New Yorker and OG again, just kind of sweep windshield wiper motion this area. So now that we have all our colors on, we're just going to rip these off. Not rip them off, gently pull. Oh my god. Another side too. Alright, so now we've taken the tape off of our eyes. Bah, bah. Now we're going to do the underneath. So you're just going to be taking like a little pencil brush. And then pretty much same colors as on the bottom. So we're going to hit the Simsa. This one. Amrezy, not Barb, my bad. And then the Anastasia in the inner corner. So it's pretty quick. We're going to go with the Simsa first. Then we'll go in with the Amrezy. And then we'll go with the Anastasia. And hit that inner corner. Alright, so there's the eyes. I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'll pop back on. So after we put on our lashes, I'm always going to add my Cake pencil, white eyeliner. This stuff is on sale at Sephora right now for $12. So if you can get on that Sephora sale right now, I would do it. So we're just going to take it and just look up. And place that white eyeliner on, and then we're going to take some bottom mascara as well and just do our bottom lashes. And bam! There's that look. Alright, so we've done our face, we've done our eyes, we've added the eyelashes, we've added the white eyeliner. So, pretty easy look to do. I think I maybe used 3 to 4 eyeshadows. So, not bad. Super quick and easy to do, as long as you have the Amrezy palette. Thank you so much for watching my video. It would mean the world to me if you'd like and subscribe for more of my videos. And thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one.